DevAssure's AI agents can convert various forms of documentation, including PRDs, mockups, screenshots, acceptance criteria, user stories, and more into test cases. There's no need for templates. It takes less than 30 minutes to generate approximately 300 test cases. The more comprehensive the documents you provide, the more specific the test cases become. If the documentation isn't extensive, the AI agent will ask questions. Once answers are provided, more detailed use cases are generated. This approach prevents the AI agent from making incorrect assumptions about how certain elements should function. The AI agent not only generates the test cases, but also adds priorities, tags, and summaries. These are manual cases generated before the development of an application begins. These test cases can be edited, and the AI engine will use these edits as feedback. The next step involves automation, where the AI agent converts these steps into automated scripts. One of the most effective features of the agent is its ability to handle unclear steps. They don't have to be very detailed. For instance, in this case, all it says is, click on the Who button, and then add the different categories guests and validate for various counts. The agent intuitively understands how the buttons are supposed to behave based on the application. It continually crawls the application to understand how the implementation is done. Test cases are generated based on the mockups. The automation is provided based on a combination of the test cases and the website itself. The source of truth remains your Figma mockups, but the automation is generated based on that. Our AI agent, called as Yan AI, not only tests the application and executes the test case, but also generates the script that can be used for regressions. One common question we get from our customers and trial partners is how we enable the AI to be intuitive enough to understand design changes. The agent can be used to generate all automation again in case of a complete redesign. The way the agent generates these automated scripts is quite unique and will be displayed shortly. The agent also includes validations as part of its execution and the generation of test automation. Once completed, a video recording is available, showcasing the entire execution process and how the agent performed the test automation. It's worth noting that the agent uses image-based processing, making it more stable. Here you can see that backup locators are also generated. The agent follows multiple methods to identify elements and adheres to the page object model. This means that different pages being interacted with will be present in separate pages within the application itself, and these can be managed effectively. Here's another excellent example of how the agent uses application and image-based processing to determine the appropriate course of action. In this case, it is instructed to perform a search with a specified destination, for instance, Goa. The agent then identifies the potential presence of a drop-down when the search occurs and determines its behavior if a drop-down appears. The agent learns from the website, mockups, and test cases generated from these mockups and tries to replicate all scenarios. If it struggles to identify specific elements, it searches for them. It tries to understand from the application whether these elements could be present in multiple places, and then determines the actions it can take to enable them. If you feel the agent is not performing the right steps, you can perform some actions directly on the open browser. The agent takes this as input and tries to generate more comprehensive automation scripts. This is a complete no-code tool, meaning there is zero coding involved. What the agent learns from the automation is what you get. Here's another complex step. The test case instructs the agent to only log into the Jira web application. And this is what the agent infers. First, enter your username and click Continue. Then, input your password and click Login. The AI agent can learn these steps independently and generate scripts accordingly. These scripts can be reused for mobile app automation. While an autonomous agent for mobile app is not yet available, we do have a powerful recorder. This tool records all flows of the application on mobile app emulators, simulators, real devices, and cloud devices. After recording, you can save the file. Similar to the web application automation's page object model, all elements are captured here as well. Once test automation is complete, the CLI agent will kick in, allowing you to execute all developed automation scripts on any CI system. It's as simple as entering a single command. Upon completion of executions, Reports are available within the DevAssure's web application. An extensive dashboard provides a deep analysis of test performances. One key advantage of DevAssure is its ability to perform complex actions without requiring a single line of code. This includes file uploads, downloads, visual validations, accessibility, network logs validation, email validation, console logs, network log interceptions, and database validations. There's a library for everything, and you don't have to write a single line of code, which significantly increases automation velocity. You also don't have to worry about maintenance overhead for these libraries or their versions, or any setup that comes with any automation tool. From test data integrations with CSV files, static tables, or database validations, to a combination of all these sources, everything is available with a single click within the DevAssure app. Lastly, we will show a recording of how a complex application, like a Figma whiteboard, can also be automated. One of the challenges with this application is that it's canvas-based, meaning the elements don't interact in the same way as standard ones. Let's demonstrate this. We utilize coordinate-based automation for this process. Once you initiate the recording and interact with the components within the whiteboard, the different coordinates are automatically detected by the Canvas application and recorded. Now, let's create a board. As I interact with the toolbar and add elements, you can see that every click, drag and drop, and connector creation from one node to another is recorded. Even right clicks are captured, and I can execute them instantly. This ensures smooth execution without any hitches. Whether it's the Yan AI agent or using the recorder to record such canvas-based applications, DevAssure is a robust tool, specifically designed for complex applications like fintech platforms, Canvas board applications, or any SaaS application. It's perfect for complete end-to-end testing, from generating test data or creating your APIs to seed data, and then executing the tests. Thanks to the page object model, DevAssure is modern and efficient. Our customers have reported a 90% savings in test design and test case creation, and a 5-fold increase in automation velocity. They've also seen an 80% cost saving in automation due to minimal overhead in test automation maintenance. Even with significant redesigns in your web or mobile application, DevAssure guarantees 99.99% reliable test runs. One of DevAssure's key differentiators is its reliability and stability. We've integrated many features within the application to ensure that tests or automation suites developed using DevAssure are stable 99.99% of the time. With DevAssure, you can expect a 50% reduction in your QA cycle, allowing you to go to market faster with better quality. You can test early, create your automation in the sprint, and ultimately go to market faster with superior quality.